Hello, in this video we'll learn about how we'll work with libraries and external libraries and how we install external libraries using pip in Python and also some modules and some module programs. Okay, so before learning about library, first you have to understand what is module. A module is a single Python script for organizing and reusing code within a file. Okay, a module is a single Python script, okay, for organizing and reusing code within a file. So like this one, it's .py extension is add.py is there here. So this is nothing but one module. Okay, one simple program which extension with .py is called nothing but a module here. Okay, single module here. Another it is first.py is another module. Okay, this is a single module here, remember. So a module is a single Python script for organizing and reusing code within a file. The next thing is package. A package is a directory. It's a directory, okay, that contains multiple modules and may include an init and .py, the double underscore and init.py file for organizing and encapsulation. Organization and encapsulation used for this one, okay. Means nothing simple words in package is nothing but a group of modules. Group of modules means these two modules add.py, this add.py, first.py and some more modules. Okay, this group of modules is together called as packages, simple in simple terms. And also we have to write in packages, you have to write this you have to write one more file called init.py file, this file, okay, for organization and encapsulation, for organizing all modules. Okay, because different modules have different functionality. To organize them you need to have one file, okay, this init.py file. Okay, so that's about the package. Okay, module is single file and package is a group of modules. Single Python file, okay, module single Python script file with .py extension. Okay, so like this one. Okay, if you package is there, if you want to write package, this is my package directory or folder init.py. This included with some file for organizing and encapsulation this module one module.py. Okay, and if you want to import, you have to use like this one, from my underscore package name and import module one if you want to import different modules from these packages. So, okay, so that's about the package. And library is a collection of pre-written modules and packages. Okay, combination of modules or packages that provides various functionalities often created and maintained by the Python community or third-party developers. Okay, library is a collection of, simple words, what is library means? A library is a collection of pre-written modules and packages that provide various functionalities often created and maintained by the who create this thing, Python community. Okay, like Python developers or third-party developers will develop these libraries. In library it consists of modules and packages both. Okay, both it will have individual modules and also packages also it is having. So that's about the library. External libraries is a context of program input to collection of pre-written code. Okay, there's like external libraries means some more. What are the, there are some libraries are there which developed by this Python community or third-party developers. We'll see with that one. Okay. So this what these libraries contains ready-made functions, classes, tools that can be used to extend the functionality of your own programs without having to reinvent the wheel. Integral part of software development. Okay. So actually save time. These are the key points. Why use external libraries means for reusability, diversity, community contribution, dependency. The theory part. Okay, documentation, tutorials, versioning. Can go through this. These are the some popular external libraries in Python. Okay, numpy, a library for numerical. This is one library for numerical scientific timing. Pandas, a library for data manipulation and analysis, and this a matplot library for creating static animated. Okay, for visualization this library is there. For request this library, for requesting HTML request this library request. Okay, tensor and TensorFlow and python is important. Okay, for machine learning, machine learning and deep learning, here there is another library TensorFlow. These libraries are created using Python programming. Okay, what is library? It consists of modules and packages for functionality, for extending the functionality. Okay, different functionality. Okay, there's a, it consists of both individual modules and also packages. Package is nothing but the group of modules. So the libraries in this library means. So there are some examples of libraries. This math library, random library. Uh, okay, this date time library. So many libraries functions are there. If you want, you can practice. Simple. We have done already math library. Import math. Okay, x equals 16. Okay, we have done already math dot square root. So where this math library will be there. Okay, if you want to check where what are the inbuilt libraries, these are inbuilt libraries. Okay, if you install the Python already, this you need not to install external libraries like this one. So if you install Python, this inbuilt libraries like math library, random library automatically installs. Okay, so what are the inbuilt libraries? If you want to see the inbuilt libraries, just go to the command prompt. Okay, command prompt, write Python, just enter Python here. Okay, just help double quotes modules title. Okay, so if you want to see what are the inbuilt modules in your Python, okay, please wait and see here. We'll just take some time. Okay, and also if mathematical functions and constants. So if you go to the Python docs, okay, official Python docs.library.math.html, there are so many mathematical functions are there under math library. There are so many functions are there. Math.ceil combination, you go to the copy sign, so you can check it here in Python docs. Angular functions, hyperbolic, special functions, these are the inbuilt functions. Okay, under math library, if you want your program consists, depending upon the depending upon the program, depending on the function, you have to write the program. Okay, so if you, these are the just one math library only. If you write the Python standard library, see, go to this, there are so many functions, built-in constants, built-in types with truth values, built-in exceptions, data types, numerical, mathematical, functional, program board. These are the system device OS. Okay, this is a OS module. In OS module, so there are so many, because we use so many OS module invention. These are the inbuilt modules. If you want to use it, what are the functionality, what are the parameters is there, so you have to go through this. Okay, Python docs, right? So these are the inbuilt libraries. Okay, see, look into it. So ABC, so where is the math here? See, here is the math here. Okay, this is one library here, inbuilt library this is. Okay, the math module consists of so many functionalities. So these are the, okay, if you want to X, just Control Z, exit, simple. Okay, that's it about the math library. So you try this, so these libraries. Okay, math library, using libraries, math library, random library provides functions for generating random numbers. Okay, so import random, simple programs, these are things. Okay, just import random dot random 1 comma 10. How import works means, you can check a simple example I am writing. So this add.py is there, just small functionality I'm writing, addition of functionality I'm writing here. Okay, because taking two parameters and adding the two parameters and printing that value. Okay, printing the return value here. Okay, here we are printing here. Okay, this functionality is in add.py. I want to use these functions in other programming. You have to import this module. Okay, import, what is the module name here? Add.py means you have to just write add here. Okay, add, enter, and just you would add dot, what is the function here? Function no, some no, fun. Okay, fun 3 comma 2, simple. Okay, see, we are using adding this one. Just we are writing the module name, that means this is a program name dot and that function name. Okay, simple thing, program name dot function name. Python means module name dot function name, simple words, module name dot function name. Just write Python, see, sum is 5 here. Okay, so like that. Here there is another folder created PyCatch. This is executable bytecode. So this is executable bytecode for faster access. About 3.2 Python 3.2 versions, this has been created. Okay, don't worry about that. So okay, that's about the modules. You try these things. Okay, like this one, import math, import datetime, the datetime library, the datetime library. Okay, datetime library used for working with dates and times. It provides classes and functions to represent, manipulate, and form data information. Okay, you have to import datetime. There are so many things you have to learn about the datetime, so I'll tell you later classes, but just you observe import datetime. Just understand this simple example. Okay, To get the current date and time, you have to use this datetime.now to get current date and time on my data sheet. Okay? So these things. And next thing is installing third-party libraries. What is third-party libraries? Third-party libraries, I told you, TensorFlow here. External libraries is there, no? This NumPy, Pandas, MATLAB, Matplot library, request. So simple, we will install request here. Okay, we will install external library request using pip. What is pip? Okay, what is pip here? Okay, is pip is nothing but using preferred installer program. Okay, pip is preferred installer program to install third-party packages used in Python. Pip is used to install third-party packages in Python, to install it or to upgrade, to delete, to uninstall it. Okay, so you use pip here. Okay, if you install third-party libraries in Python, you can use pip, which is package manager for Python. Okay, make it easy to download and install libraries from the Python package index. Okay, how you install library? Okay, I told you request library, external library is there. We will install it here now. Okay, first of all, I want to see what are the libraries are available in my programming. So how we will see? So using pip list here is there. If you write, you can view the list of install libraries and the versions by running pip list here. Okay, so use here pip list. Open command prompt window and use pip list here. Okay, these are the libraries installed in my world. There's a TensorFlow is there. Request is not there here. These are the libraries and the versions here. Okay, package libraries, versions here. Okay, and request is not there. I want to install request library. Okay, IVC external libraries. So these are the external libraries. These are not, okay. We are not installing there are some inbuilt libraries will be there. External libraries will be there. We are installing the external libraries for the better functionality of our program. Okay, Hi-Fi, Irina, Keras. Okay, request is not there. I want to install a request. Okay, I want to install request library. How we install request library is simple. Pip install request. Simple. Pip install request. Okay, it's installing. See, like this one. Pip install request here. Okay. So now, if you check whether it installed or not, just use pip list here again. It's installed or not, to check it here. M9.Working. See here, request is there here. Okay, see request. Okay, so I want to uninstall request. I don't want this external library now. Just use pip uninstall request. Simple. Okay, uninstalling. Yes. Why? Yes, successful uninstall request. If you want to check whether it is uninstalled or not, just use pip list here. Okay, pip list. See, check whether request or not, request library is there or not. It's not there. QR. Okay, is not there. So such a way you have to use it. Okay, just follow this statement. Just follow the steps. Uninstall the library, everything. Okay, there's another called as pip freeze is there. Okay, what we just pip, what we just okay, just like this one. Okay, so it will display like this one. If you use pip freeze means what's the package and the version here, name here. Okay, equal to means like version name. So that like that are there. Pip one. So by using pip, you can easily manage third-party libraries in your Python projects and take advantage of the vast ecosystem of libraries available pip and other sources. Okay, I hope you understand modules, packages, and libraries. Okay, there are, if you install Python, there are some inbuilt libraries will be there, like math, random, datetime. Okay, these are the inbuilt libraries. Okay, these are the inbuilt libraries in there. But if you want to install external libraries, some external libraries like Python, like PyTorch, like PyTorch, and see like PyTorch, request, MATLAB, Pandas, NumPy. These are the external libraries. If you want to use these external libraries, uh, you have to install using pip. Okay, package manager. Using pip. Pip is a package manager to install external libraries in your Python. Okay. Okay, you have to install. I showed you. Okay, the simple thing. Okay, so yeah, this is a simple thing. First, you have to understand what is module. Before working with libraries, you have to understand what is module. what is package, what is library, and what are the external libraries available, and how to install the external libraries. Okay, module how to install the external libraries, how to uninstall the libraries, how to see the libraries in your Python system. Okay, in your computer system. So that's it. And versioning, these are external libraries. This TensorFlow and PyTorch are the machine learning. Okay, these are important external libraries. Who develop the external libraries? By Python community or developers. Okay, third party developers have developed these things to for the machine learning and the deep learning. So NumPy used for the numerical and scientific computing. Pandas, these are the external libraries used developed using the Python modules and packages. Okay, so that's it. We'll see more about more programming, visual data visualization in our later classes. Okay, right.